Hi, this is Gary Esparza.
Marco Garza.
Aisha Marquez, and this is our egg bungee jump project. The objective of this project is to predict how many rubber bands we will need to safely drop an egg at 6 feet to get it as close to the ground as possible without touching the floor, as well as finding the forces acting on the egg, the spring constant, and using conservation of energy, such as kinetic energy, gravitational potential energy, and elastic potential energy.
For the materials you will need an egg, rubber bands, a plastic bag, tape, a small elastic band, a ruler, and a stand.
For step one, you're supposed to place an egg inside of a plastic bag and seal it with tape. Afterwards, you tie a rubber band to the bag. Okay, from here you're going to go ahead and release the egg from 3 feet and record the distance that the egg drops. Then you'll repeat the drop 2 more times and calculate the average.
The kinetic energy of a moving or falling object is 1/2 mv squared, where v is the velocity of the egg before it hits the floor. At the point of release, the egg is at rest, so this means its initial kinetic energy is 0, as well as at the bottom of the fall, the egg is at rest for a moment, so its final kinetic energy is also 0.
Potential energy due to gravity. The gravitational potential energy of an object is given by mgy, where y is the vertical height. If we let y equals 0 at the bottom of the fall, then y equals h at the egg's initial position. Thus, the initial gravitational potential energy is mgh, and its final value is 0.
Potential energy of a rubber band. The potential energy of a rubber band is 1/2 kx squared, where x is the amount by which the rubber band is stretched at the egg initial position. The rubber band is not stretched, so the initial position of the rubber band is 0. At the bottom of the fall, the rubber band is stretched by an amount h minus L, where L is its unstretched length. The rubber band does not begin to stretch until the egg has fallen distance L. Thus, the final potential energy of the rubber band is 1/2 k h minus L squared.
We predicted that at 6 feet, we would need 9 rubber bands for the egg to safely touch the ground. We were close to the number of rubber bands we thought we needed, but the egg did not come close enough to the ground with 9 rubber bands. We then added another rubber band to see what would happen with 10 rubber bands. We then realized the number of rubber bands we needed were 10.